Hello, welcome everybody. You've clicked one of the links on our website, so you're again seeing and talking to me, Logan Maxwell, wearer of many hats at WISER Systems. So what can WISER do to help you? Well, namely, it's two major categories. One is using a front-end application to live track and find any of your items in your facility. This is our offices here that you're looking at. We actually have live tags walking around in our facility all the time, and you can just search for any of your serial numbers or work order numbers that you're looking to find, and then go find that out on the floor. So that is really the one major thrust of the application. And the second is utilizing the data that you're creating to analyze the movement of those items. So it's really, there's a real-time aspect and there's also a historical aspect. And so what I'm going to show here is just a very simple viewer tool to view the database reads that you're creating. This is not to be confused with a fancy schmancy analytics package, and that's reflected in the pricing as well. So this is just looking at the historical views of where things have moved, some simple charts. This is our Roomba in our office having a good time cleaning. So again, two major things. One is live view and one is historical view, but you're going to be tagging and tracking anything you want in your facility that has a tag. So thanks for stopping by. I hope you're getting good info, and let us know. Contact us, send us an email, anything works. Thanks.